Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. We are back up in my taping room. We are so behind because we had all of those awesome FabFitFun spoilers, but today we're gonna jump in with a Glossybox. This is the prettiest box. Let's get in here and see what's inside. Glossybox always has the prettiest boxes. They're nice and hard boxes that you can use for storage, but this month they have taken it to another level. This is the July 2021 box, and see the seashells? I mean, they look like they're just gonna jump right off at you. It is so pretty, and it looks like a treasure chest. It opens like that too. When we open it up, this is what the inside looks like. We have our paperwork that will tell us everything we need to know about what is inside. And the beauty of the Glossybox year, because the Glossybox year is different, but it is you pay month to month. You commit for a year, but you still only pay monthly. You don't have to pay that full year in advance. I love that. I wish all the boxes did that. So when we undo the ribbon and open it up, I love they've chosen a color that's meant to look like sand. I see brushes. You guys know, I do love a good brush. This month, July 2021, says Beauty Treasures. And that is what the front of the book looks like. And when we get inside, it says, "Hey Glossies, we love finding hidden gems and discovering new favorites each month. From makeup to skincare, hair care, and more, Glossybox is all about giving our subscribers a chance to experience the new and the best of beauty. This July, we're bringing you 5 beauty treasures in a special treasure chest box for you to try and love." Well, I already love the box. And since the very first picture that I can already see is these pretty brushes, let's talk about them. They are eye brushes. They're kind of a tealish color, but they look kind of marbled. It's Elena Badro. That is what they look like in their packaging, but let's get them out of here. They are a really, really pretty teal-ish color. I hope that comes across. They feel nice. Yeah, this one is soft but dense. So that is what they look like together. Elena Badro full-size Divine Duo set. This beautiful sea green set includes an angled brush and a blending brush. The angled brush can be used for brow liner and eyeshadow, while the blending brush is ideal for creating soft color diffusion or defined blending. And this says they have a $34 value. You know, sometimes, admittedly, I think that brushes, when they are in boxes, are a little pricey. $17 each, but they are very pretty, very nice brushes. And blenders are my favorite, so they will definitely get used. Okay, next out of the box, we have a Purelease Blue Lotus and Seaweed Treatment Sheet Mask. And that is what that looks like. And the paperwork says, Purelease, full-sized, it has a $6 value, Blue Lotus and Seaweed Treatment Sheet Mask. The sun can really dry out and dehydrate your skin, especially in the peak of summer. Formulated for all skin types, including sensitive, this mask contains blue lotus, seaweed, mulberry, and anise fruit to combat dryness, inflammation, irritation, and redness. Oh my goodness, does that sound perfect for me or what? I can use everything in it. There's nothing in it I don't use. It does have witch hazel, which can sometimes trigger me, but with all of those nice words, I think I will try it. If you have tried this and had good luck, let me know. Next out of the box, we have the Verso Eye Cream, and that is number 5. I have had this in other boxes, so we won't swatch this. I will leave it sealed so I can pass it along, but it says Verso Skincare Deluxe Size. It has a $21 value, and it's 7 ml. If it was the full-size 20 ml, it would have a $60 value. It says this rich formula nourishes and moisturizes the eye area to ensure a robust skin barrier and healthy hydration level for soft, smooth, and supple skin. It owes its potency to a combination of fermented oat and hyaluronic acid boosting yeast extract. All right, let me make sure that it's sealed, because if it's not sealed, I wouldn't pass it along. Oh, it's not. Oh, I did not anticipate that. It is not sealed, so I will go ahead and show you guys what it looks like, because as a rule, I don't pass along, at least to people who aren't friends and family, things that aren't sealed. So that is what it looks like. Let's see how smooth it makes my hand. My hands have been missing all of this taping up here. This is how they get a lot of their hydration. It has almost no scent. It does feel very nice. I just read the back and I can definitely use it, so this is an eye cream that gets to go in line. Yeah, it's completely absorbed and it feels really nice. I always say I have the best of luck with Glossybox. For some reason, and I don't know if it's because like it's a UK brand, but the things that they curate for their boxes, my skin is always much happier to have. Next we have a Batiste Clean Feel Formula Instant Hair Refresher Volumizing Dry Shampoo. I'm a daily hair washer, so I actually do use some dry shampoos because, as you can tell, I have very flat hair, so I do use it at times for volume. This is 1.6 fluid ounces. This is something that you could pick up at your drugstore or at Ulta, and it says that this travel size has a $3.99 value. Put some oomph back in your locks with this dry shampoo. Great for when you're on the go and need a quick refresh. Made with collagen complex, the Clean Feel formula removes oil, leaving your hair bouncy, beautiful, and volumized. You know when I would have liked this in my life? I would have loved this in like high school, because just like I'm an everyday washer now, back in high school, if I could have gotten my hands on something like a dry shampoo, I would come home from school, and if I was going out to do something else again that evening, I would wash my hair because my hair wanted to be so oily when I was younger. Mostly back in here, and also I was a teenage girl, you know how teenage girls are. But let's see how white this makes my hair and if it gives me any volume. In all fairness, I am freshly washed. We will just put some right under here in case it leaves me with a white, because I'm getting ready to tape like several videos because we got so behind with those spoilers. Oh, so it comes out plenty strong. It smells very nice. I'm gonna leave it to dry for a second. I was clearly too close to my head, but even where I put it, I don't see a swath of white. And I have, if you've been watching my FabFitFun spoilers, you can tell my hair is very different inside with just this fake lighting as opposed to when I'm sitting in front of a sunny window. My natural hair color that you guys don't see is actually a pretty light brown that leans a little bit toward red. Of course, you also can't tell that my eyes are very hazel leaning toward green. So the coloring up here leaves a little to be desired, but it's not as dark as it looks right here. All right, let's give that a good rub in and see if we get any volume and lift from it. And this is the reason when I use dry shampoo, I generally use it, because I can wash my hair, blow dry my hair, and then put just a little bit of one of my dry shampoos in it and curl it, and it gives me a little more grit, a little more lift. Kind of like if you go to an event, like if you're going to a wedding and you want to have an updo, and whoever you go to see says, okay, but the day you come in for your updo, don't wash your hair. I have to admit, I always wash my hair, then they have to put something gritty in there because I cannot wash my hair. But they want that grit in there, it helps it hold. Anyway, I've gone way off track here. I don't see much, if any, oomph from that, but I also don't see any white cast. There's no white cast in my hair, so if that is something you have a problem with, this Batiste of volumizing might help. And last but not least, out of the box, we have this. And Glossybox reached out to me and let me know that one of the items that was in the book we weren't going to get this month. I think that they're having some sourcing issues, but that we were going to get this, the Ciate Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. And I have actually had these in the past, and I really like them. My day-to-day go-to blush is the Hourglass, because I love that you not only get the color, but it's swirled in there with a little bit of their highlighter. And as I recall, when I have used this in the past, it has given me the same feeling. Let's get into it. The one I have was super pink. Oh, this one's very pink too, but oh, it has kind of a pinkish cast. But see how it's got that shine to it? Isn't that just so pretty? It looks like a little flower. Let me show you the front of it. This is the front of it. It feels nice and creamy, and even after I've gone over it several times, it's still plenty shiny. The color is really, really nice for me. You'll notice we're not doing a try on. Like I said, I am so far behind because of the FabFitFun spoilers that I'm going to tape several videos and just couldn't do try-ons. We will go back to them though, I promise. Let's see what the paperwork says about this. Oh, right, I don't have any paperwork about this, so I will let you know down here how much this is, because it's not in the book because we were intended to have something else. But this is in the color Matchmaker, and it's 2.5 grams. These are tiny words on the box, but let me see if I can tell you anything. It just says that it is a long wear skin brightening blush. Okay, so that is our box for July. And we received the Ciate London Little Blushy, so cute, definitely perfect for travel. The Verso Eye Cream, 2 of these cute little Elena Bado brushes in Seafoam. I love the color of these. The Purelease Blue Lotus and Seaweed Mask, and the Batiste, which we put on my hair, Volumizing Dry Shampoo. If you have any interest, again, I will put my link below. Your first box will be $1 if you sign up using my link, and that's if you commit to a year, but you don't have to pay up front. Look, even the inside is pretty. Oh, and it's magnetized. You know, I'm like one of those kids at Christmas, but Mom, the box is so cool. Thanks again for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. Thanks to Glossybox for sending us this to review, and we will see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and take care out there, guys.